Hello and welcome to this lesson in Joe's classes. Today we are going to learn about autofill in Excel, and we're going to use the window that is open to learn how to autofill dates, numbers, and series or labels. Welcome and have fun as we learn. Now to start with dates, I can create a new sheet. And here is where we'll have the dates, and then here we'll have numbers, and here we shall have series. Assuming that the first date we want entered is 29th of September 2019, and then may enlarge, and then the numbers we want to start from number 1 all the way down. And then for series, we want to start with Kenya 001. So how do you do the autofills? For dates, it's easy. You click where you have entered the first date and move the mouse cursor to the bottom right corner and click and drag downwards across multiple rows up to where you want. So for example, row number 15, and then you release. So what that does, the computer puts dates in an incremental format. We can format those dates to show the long date format so that we can see whether it is adjusting even the days of the week. So I've gone to format cells, then I've selected date category, long date, and then I click OK. Let me enlarge to see the content. So it knows, the computer has automatically put dates from Sunday all the way to Saturday of October 12th. For numbers, it's a little bit different. Because if you click and drag this one, it just copies that number, and that is not what we want. We want an autofill that has an incremental value. So how do we do it? I'll delete this. So the first thing you do is to select the range, including the first cell that has the content that you want incremented from. Then you go to the fill menu, and then you select series. Then you choose linear, step value, you put 1, and then you click OK. Then it automatically puts the numbers at an incremented value, just like the dates. For series, it's easy. Anything that starts with text, and then it has a number at the end. You can move the mouse cursor at the bottom right corner, and then click and drag. So that one will automatically add the numbers and automatically fill your range. Numbers also, you can be able to put a series that you want a different step value. So you say, for example, you want in a factor of 5. You can do 5 and then select, and then you go to fill, then choose series, then the step value you change from 1 to 5. And then the computer will only put 5, 10, 15, 20. It will have those step values as you have already indicated. So I hope you have learned something today about autofills in Excel and the difference between autofills and copying. Thank you and enjoy. Have fun.